I'll never forget the sound. A summer evening in the suburbs, and the sky that had been glowing orange with sunset suddenly dimmed, as if someone pulled a giant gray curtain across it. Then came the pounding. Sharp thuds against the roof, rattling windows like fists drumming in unison. I rushed outside and froze. White pellets, solid and round, were bouncing off cars, lawns, and sidewalks. For a second, it felt unreal, like the sky itself was tossing ice cubes straight from a freezer. I couldn't help but ask, why does hail happen? I stood there, both awed and uneasy. It was warm outside, yet ice was raining from above. It made no sense. My mind spun with questions. I'd seen rain, snow, even sleet, but hail felt like nature breaking its own rules. I remember holding one in my hand, cold against my palm, layers visible like rings of a tree. I had to know where this frozen bullet came from. The search led me into the storm clouds themselves. Picture a thunderstorm as a giant, invisible elevator, air currents rushing up and down. When raindrops are lifted high into the freezing top of the storm, they turn solid. Then they fall, only to be caught again and sent upward, gathering new coats of ice with every trip. It's like rolling a snowball across the yard. Each pass makes it thicker. Or like dipping a caramel apple over and over, each layer hardening into a shell. The hailstone grows until gravity finally wins, dropping it down to earth with a violent clatter. I used to think hail was random, just icy rain. Now I see it as a sculptor's process, shaped in silence before crashing into the open. The next time I hear the roof rattle, I'll remember the invisible struggle inside the clouds. Tiny drops of water hurled upward again and again until they become strong enough to survive the fall. Science has a way of reframing fear into wonder. What felt like chaos is really choreography. Air, water, and temperature locked in a dance above us. To me, it's a reminder. Even in turmoil, layers of resilience are forming. Just like hail, we're shaped by the cycles that lift us, drop us, then lift us again. If this discovery surprised you, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Check the description and pinned comment for links to more curious science questions.